Guys, we are going to Walmart! Now let's get in the car. Guys, we're here at Walmart to check out some new cool toys. Let's go.
Look at these cool toys. What is that, Armand? Can you put it in the camera? What is? Can we see the picture?
A Bakugan. This is a Bakugan. 100 bullet gun. You can't
The
even
cool Nerf guns. Is that your favorite, Armand?
Yeah, my friend Cooper has it. Check this out. This is my favorite. Let's go and check them out.
That is what we're looking for.
Guys, look at this cool gun. It lights up. So as you can see, it has green light up. Guys, we have a cool drone. Check out this cool drone.
That's a cool one. You've got the other one, right, Armand? But this is much cooler than that.
Yeah. Check out this cool drone.
That's a cool one. You've got the other one, right, Armand? But this is much cooler than that.
Yeah. Guys, as you can see, these are Transformers from the Transformers movie.
The Iron Man. Ta-da! Check out these cool swords. Do they turn on? Can you turn them on? Whoa, that's really cool.
Guys, look at all the stuff we have. Pizza City.
Yeah, we're gonna build these cool stuff at home.
And the truck. Guys, today we're going to be building these Legos. So first, we're going to build this. Is up first.
What kind of Lego is that? Can you show me the picture from close by?
Yes. So look, it's like that. And they have that.
Which part are you building now?
I told you. I'm building this.
What is the name of that? Is that a garbage truck?
Yeah.
Let me show it to you guys close by. This is the one that Armand wants to build. You can look at the picture if you want to build it.
Now it's second morning.
Wow, you did a good job, Armand. Let's see what you did.
It's second morning. Shh. Be quiet. I need some peaceful time. Yeah.
So today you built your garbage truck, right?
Yes.
Can you show it to me closer by so that your friends can see the pieces that you built? Show me those ones.
So here's the truck.
Can you hold it up in your hand? There we go. You built that one.
And here's the
next
front.
piece? What is the garbage man doing, Armand?
I don't know.
Isn't he gonna take the garbage?
Yes.
Ta-da! Armand built the garbage piece, the garbage truck.
Okay, now he's
And
push.
that's the garbage bin. The
He's
garbage man is
pushing it.
that. And there's the small garbage bin.
And he's attaching it. He's gonna go to the driver's seat. Actually, he's gonna pick it up. He pushed it up.
There we go. He dumped all the garbage in the garbage
He's gonna
truck.
play basketball. Basketball.
Here we go.
Good luck building Lego, guys. Have fun. Bye-bye.